This is a follow-up video from the previous videos I've done about equity, home equity. And so, ang tanong dito sa video na to na gusto kong sagutin is, ano ba ang mga iba't ibang ways na magagamit ko yung equity na yan para umusad ako sa buhay ko? 'Di ba? Kasi may equity ka, ibig sabihin parang ipon yan na nakasubid dun sa bahay mo at gusto mong gamitin for investment purposes. So, the first reason why you want to do this, why you want to release the equity of your house, is you will be using it to purchase an investment property. And the reason you're purchasing an investment property is gusto mo ring umakyat yung halaga ng bahay na yon, andyan siya, nakaka-receive ng renta, which pays off the mortgage. And then in the process, umaakyat din yung halaga niya na eventually pag binenta mo in the future, may kikitain ka, which of course you will use either for your retirement, o gagamitin mo na siya para bayaran mo pa yung natitira mong utang sa bahay mo. Marami rin siyang paggagamitan. But at the end of the day, it's an investment. So you're using the equity para pang deposito dun sa susunod na bahay na bibilin mo, na magiging investment property mo, and it will cover the 20%. And then of course, uutang ka naman ng 80% against dun sa bahay na bibili mo. But that's another discussion about investing in property. Another reason is of course, gagamitin mo yung equity mo para mag-ayos ng bahay, pagandahin, 'di ba? Magpapapinta ka, mag-a-upgrade ka ng kitchen mo, mag-a-upgrade ka ng mga banyo mo para gumanda. And of course, at the same time, pag umaganda yung itsura ng bahay mo, yung umaakyat din yung halaga ng bahay mo. And of course, another reason why nagre-release ka ng equity, kasi I have an accountant na kliyente ko, marunong siya mag-invest sa mga shares. And yung kinukuha niyang equity, which is of course utang, actually ini-invest niya sa shares na even if kunyari 5% yung o 6% yung interest rate nitong kinuha niya, na inutang niya in the form of equity, no? Kinuha niya yung utang na yon, ginagamit niya pang invest, which of course should have a bigger return. So sabihin mo na ang return niya kasi marunong siya mag-invest sa shares is 10 or 12. So yung difference noon kinikita niya. So that's another reason kung bakit ka nag-i-invest at nagre-release ng equity at nag-i-invest. But at the end of the day, if you want to do this is something, of course, you have to have a chat with your accountant or inaalam ng bangko, either nakipag-usap ka na sa financial planner or because you've been investing at marunong ka talaga at very experienced ka, yan yung mga inaalam talaga ng bangko if you're going to use it for investment purposes. Normally, if you're going to use it to purchase another investment property, all I need to show the bank is kaya mo talagang bumili ng investment property. That's another calculation that I need to do. But so those are the three things, no, that you can use yung equity mo. It's mostly for investment purposes. It's only to build more equity in the future. So if you want to find out more about equity, releasing the equity in your house to purchase an investment property, give me a call. My name is Maria Papa. My number is 04-301-44008, or you can email me at mpapa@maverickfinance.com.au. And of course, send me a message on my mobile or send me an email, and then I will organize a meeting with you, discuss everything. And then if you can actually do it, I'll let you know. We can get a pre-approval with the bank. I look forward to hear from you.